Hi children, how are you? Let's start next chapter, chapter number 3, Puss and the Parrot. Let's read. Chapter 3, Puss and the Parrot. Now these are the new words: hungry, pause, raining, here and wait. Now just listen the story. It's raining. Puss, the cat, is feeling hungry. There is no food. There are no rats. He looks here and there. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. He requests the parrot, "Puss, Mr. Parrot, can you sing well? Please sing a song for you." Parrot, feeling very happy, "Yes, yes, la 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 dum de da da dum." "Puss, I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me." Parrot, "No, no, Mr. Puss, you may eat me." Puss, "No, my dear, I am very old. I have no teeth. I cannot eat you." Parrot said, "Then here I come. La 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 de dum da da dum." Oh, what happened? Puss jumps to the parrot and holds him in his paws. Puss said, "Now I am going to eat you." Parrot, "You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, just first wash your hands and face. That is what all good cats do." Puss said, "Just see how fast I wash my hands and face. You stand here and see." Parrot, "I'm not going to wait for you. Eat me up. Here I go. Bye, Puss." Now children, listen it carefully. This story is about a cat named Puss. It was raining too much and Puss, he was feeling hungry and he had no food to eat, no rats. So he gets an idea when he sees a parrot sitting on a tree. He requests the parrot, "Mr. Parrot, will you sing well? You sing well, so please sing a song for me." Mr. Parrot said, "Yes, why not?" Then cat said, Puss said that, "I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me." Parrot, "No, dear." Puss said, "Mr. Parrot, I have no teeth. You can come to me." Okay. Then Puss jumps on the parrot and holds him on his paws. "Now I'm going to eat you." Parrot got an idea. "You can eat me, but just wash your face and hands." At that particular time, the parrot flies away. Okay?